how they will dwarf. Yan na, that's a big term, no? Dwarf SM New Valley, no? They'll be combining everything, no? Hi guys, Realtor Mike here. I'm here at the Civic District of Metro New Valley. Metro New Valley is the CBD, Central Business District of New Valley, no? 200 hectares siya. So divided into 3 siya. Civic District is 1. Dito lalagay yung Extension City Hall of Santa Rosa. Ang update ko ngayon, no? Many things have been said about SM New Valleys coming in to the area. Of course, hindi magpapatalo si Ayala Malls New Valley. Tinimingan nila with their new logo. Surprisingly, andito si SM New Valley. It is along Santa Rosa Tagaytay Road, yung harap nito. So this is at the back portion, no? But I'm almost sure that there'll be access here. And this road, this is the Casile Tagaytay Road. Yan, itong road na to papuntang Casile yan. So going back to Santa Rosa Tagaytay Road. Many things have been said, no? So you just watch the other videos about the coming of SM New Valley versus Ayala Malls New Valley, no? So SM New Valley, as a brief backgrounder, no, many were surprised with the official name. Hindi raw ba kinontest ni Ayala Land yung paggamit ng New Valley dun sa SM, no? My opinion on this is that by SM using the word New Valley is a validation of how great New Valley is, no? Parang nakikisama siya. That's why I think, opinion ko lang to, that's why I think Ayala allowed SM to use the New Valley trademark. But we will confirm that. So SM here, SM New Valley here is not an ordinary mall. It is a premier mall, just like the SM Aura, SM Podium type. So may IMAX Theater daw. And they'll have a park-in hotel. They'll also have an SMX convention center. I don't know how big. And there is one hectare or 10,000 square meters air-conditioned garden. It's targeted to open October 2026. Of course, they will try to catch Christmas surge, no, na shopping. So Ayala, of course, will not take this sitting down because New Valley is their territory. Kami na una dito, this is ours, and we will claim this. We are the proponents of this area. So how will they do it, no? They're expanding the existing Ayala Solinad Mall 1, 2, and 3. So I think they're dropping the Solinad name. We will confirm that, no? So Ayala Malls New Valley na lang siya. Yung gross leasable area nila, about 160,000 to 180,000 square meters. SM's is 190,000. So more or less pareho, no? Sabi nila it will be a combination of a green belt and a glorieta. I've seen this, no, slowly, but they're not announcing it yet. How they will dwarf, yan na, that's a big term, no? Dwarf SM New Valley, no? They'll be combining everything. What is everything? Yung Ayala Malls, one, said the hotels, then yung rejuvenated and renovated lakeside is going to be beautiful. Plus the SNR, Landers area, yung Uniqlo roadside store, plus of course the Jollibee, the McDonald's, and the CBTL, plus the beach volleyball. They will combine it into one complex. So parang in and out yun. How do I know that? They're making sidewalks really huge, no? Parang so indoor and outdoor siya. That will be the whole complex of Ayala Malls New Valley, no? So the whole thing, that will essentially dwarf SM New Valley, no? Which will be also very big and grand and everything else. So what is this for the consumer? Of course, as I've said in my previous videos, any competition is good for the consumer. So abangan. So everything, it's so exciting, no? I have a question lang, no? Pre-pandemic, when it was just Ayala dominating here, yung Solinad was dominating here, of course Vista is here, and Paseo. Yung mga tenants sa Solinad, napapansin ko, they open and they close. Meron mga ganun na small businesses. But with this upcoming development, a new giant mall with SM and the new Ayala New Valley Mall with much more spaces for lease. So hindi ko alam what will happen if the economies of scale is enough to fill them up. No, but of course, we know that SM and Ayala are masters of the mall business, and they have a long line of merchants who want to be positioned in their mall. So abangan natin yun, no? Exciting stores coming in. May mga names of the stores have been floated na. Okay. Another question, what will happen to Vista and Paseo? Great question. Si Vista medyo not so good in my opinion yung position niya right now, since there are many vacant spaces and restaurants sila bukas na rin. But let's see. Si Paseo naman, they're positioning themselves as an outlet shop. So they have Adidas, they have Anta, they have Nike. Medyo solid yung kanilang positioning as that kind of a mall, no? But yung Arcadia plus the others, they're trying to connect something that is disconnected. But let's see, let's give them a chance. I still go there and patronize some of their merchants. Let me now jump and talk about what's going inside Nuvali. I'm here at Central Block. I'm going to share with you the happenings in terms of commercial/retail inside Nuvali. So quote-unquote inside Nuvali. Because some of them are just outside Nuvali, but within the vicinity where the residents can enjoy the area. I think Central Block, where Merrimart is here, slated to open June of 2026 unless the schedule has been changed. No? Ganda ng sunset, no? Yan. Dito naman part of Central Block are the commercial areas to be leased out by Ayala Land. No? I'm not yet at liberty to say the exact tenants. Clues, no? There's hair salons, barber shops, restaurants, yan. Oriental, Japanese, Korean, most probably. Yan, they'll be all here. As I've mentioned again in my videos before, I think that yung mga tenants dito, of course, if they have great service and products, no, will be a huge success. Why do I say that? Ayala Land said that there's about 5,000 residents already inside Nuvali. Plus yung mga lumalabas-pasok because of Miriam School, Xavier, which is just beside Central Block, no? And Everest International Academy, no? Plus the Nuvali driving range. And the biggest evidence is this, no? Yung Nuvali weekend market, no? So they've been having this for the past 2 or 3 weekends, Saturday and Sunday. Ang daming tao dito. Everybody's enjoying the food, the products here, and some are walking around. Ang laki ng mga sidewalks here. So that's the reason I'm very sure that the outlets here will be a big success. Inside Central Block, there are also commercial lots that Ayala Estates is selling. Here at the back and over there, no? So 900 to 1,000 square meters. Let me know if you're interested. 120,000 pesos per square meter, no, more or less. The owners who bought on that property will build commercial buildings, so 4 to 5 stories, no. So they may house banks sa ground floor, they may house restaurants. Sa taas, they may have offices or residential areas as well. Meron ng anchor establishment to start Central Block. Exciting times. Just outside Nuvali, no, near the Terley Rotonda, no, andun yung Hana Garden Villas by the Toy Chan family, no. Jose Marie Chan and a Japanese company and joint venture. They're selling townhouses there. So the exciting part there, what we've heard, no. So right now there's a McDonald's franchise there. But coming soon daw, they'll have a pancake house, a Starbucks, and marketplace grocery. Exciting yan, no? So, malapit lang dito yon. So, this is Nuvali Boulevard. Then you will end up in the Terley Rotonda. As I want to emphasize again, competition is very good for the consumers, no? Aside from that group of area, no? Meron pa the existing Carmel Ray Strip. Dito naman yon. So, Nuvali Boulevard, then take this road sa magilid ng Ridgeview. Then you'll hit the Carmel Ray industrial compound yon, no? So, maraming non-smoke emitting factories doon. So, that is where Rockwell also is located. Rockwell Carmel Ray at the south. So, meron silang strip mall doon, no? So, andun yung Security Bank, Capitalista, na restaurant, Yang Chow, a Chinese restaurant, plus some other restaurants, no? Tapos may massage din, may barbecue at the back, no? Very nice for the residents here and the non-residents here. O mga tip ko lang for the non-residents, no, yung yung Kanlubang Golf, just go straight dun sa Terrelea Rotonda. They are strictly for membership, yung golf course, no. But their food outlet, their open air veranda, is open to the public. No, yung restaurant nila, masarap yung food nila doon. So they're open breakfast until 4 or 5 p.m. So you can go there. So if the access is restricted, you just tell the guards that you'll be going to Can Golf. Tapos another update, no, yung Rockwell Carmelry at the south, they have a Bizu restaurant operating dun sa clubhouse nila. They open at 11, I think. They have nice merienda, salads, pasta, and yung breads, they go 30% off after a certain time. Yun. So those are the things that are happening inside New Valley. So we'll jump to the conclusion. So just a short summary of the commercial areas here, no? So we featured the ones outside New Valley, no? Yung mga malls, and we featured the ones inside New Valley, no? Yung Central Block, plus the others. Let me state to conclude that there's nothing like this in the whole of the Philippines in terms of these commercial areas. We haven't touched yet yung sa Eton, meron rin silang commercial areas over there. May nice seafood place and other restaurants, plus the normal Starbucks drive-thru, McDonald's, Jollibee. We haven't touched on the south, going towards Ayala West Grove. There are many commercial areas there. Plus, I'll make a special video, I just remembered, from the New Valley sign up to Tagaytay Road. It's a 16-kilometer stretch. So, madaming restaurants, furniture stores, everything about landscaping, merong yung gig music hall, flowers from Tagaytay, fruits, and everything else. No? That's a 16-kilometer stretch. No, yung Santa Rosa Tagaytay Road going up to Tagaytay. Ang dami pa doon na mga things that you can go. There's even vintage car, hindi ko alam kung for sale or sort of a museum, no. So there's so much to offer in this area, no, New Valley area, Rising South area, plus the other subdivisions, no. So yun lang, just wanted to share an in-depth, comprehensive, and complete overview, just an overview of the commercial areas here in New Valley. Yun muna. So if you have questions or you want to contribute the things that I have missed, please feel free to share your comments below. Realtor Mike Tan saying, stay safe and stay in faith. God bless. Thank you for the privilege of your time. Bye.